After months of debate, the Somali Parliament has officially ratified the African Charter on the Rights and Welfare of Children, a landmark step in advancing child protection standards in Somalia, with some clauses still raising concerns among certain groups. The Federal Parliament of Somalia officially ratified the African Charter on Rights and Welfare of Children on October 1, 2025, marking a significant milestone in the country's commitment to adhering to African standards on child protection and international legal framework. The Charter passed with 130 votes in favor, 10 against and 5 abstentions, and is now expected to move to Upper House for approval before becoming law.
xeerkan wuxuu faa'iido u leeyahay caruurta Soomaaliyeed, gaasatan caruurta Afrika. Waxaan rajaynayaa in uu horumar iyo barwaaqo lagu gaari doono.
The Minister of Family Affairs and Human Rights, Khadija Mohammed Al-Makhzoumi, stated in a written statement that this ratification is a great victory that will lead to better opportunities and protection for Somali children. She further highlighted that the law demonstrated national unity and commitment to protecting children's rights, and that the government would work with various organizations to implement this agreement effectively, particularly in education, healthcare, and the protection of vulnerable children. The African Charter, adopted by Organization of African Union in 1990, grants the rights of children in Africa to life, education, freedom, and protection. With Somalia's ratification, it will become the 52nd African Union member state to join the agreement. The African Charter on Rights of Children consists of 72 articles which ensure the rights of African children. Some of the key articles include Article 9, freedom of thought, conscience, and religion. Children have the right to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion, with parents or guardians able to guide them according to their best interest. Article 10, protection of privacy. Children's privacy and family life must be protected, and interference by parents or third parties must be lawful. Article 21A, marriage and children. It is prohibited for anyone under 18 years of age to be married or married. Article 24A, adoption. Children's adoption must be done following a legal procedure, and international adoption is allowed when it serves the child's best interest. Article 2A, definition of child. A child is defined as anyone under the age of 18. Despite this progress, the ratification has sparked debates in some circles, with sections of civil society expressing concerns over some of the articles conflicting with Islamic law. Others have welcomed the decision, describing it as an important step towards protecting Somali children. Following these discussions, the Ministry of Family Affairs and Human Rights issued an official statement on Saturday clarifying the government's stance and legal framework behind the ratified law. The ministry emphasized that Somalia's Islamic law and constitution remain the supreme foundation for implementing the charter, and any conflicting professions will not be enforced. The statement clarified the difference between the Charter's professions and Somalia's legal framework. Freedom of religion, Article 9. Somalia does not accept that children can change their religion, as all Somali children are Muslims. Private life, Article 10. Parental authorities will take proceedings over any other authority in managing child's privacy. Marriage age, Article 21A. While the Charter prohibits marriage under 18 years, Somalia will rely on Islamic law to determine marriage age based on majority rather than a fixed age. Adoption, Article 24A. Somalia will not accept Western-style adoption and will use the Islamic kafala system. Definition of maturity, Article 2A. Instead of setting the age of 18, Somalia will follow the Islamic definition of maturity.